Welcome to the best breakfast in Lynchburg. In my opinion, Market at Main is hands down the best breakfast in downtown Lynchburg and maybe in all of Lynchburg. If you've not tried it, you need to. I always order Classic Eggs Benedict, but Market at Main also has Eggs Chesapeake, Green Eggs and Ham, Eggs Rebecca, and Eggs Virginia, all variations of Eggs Benedict. My niece says that Market at Main has the best grits anywhere in this part of the state. I am never downtown during the lunch hour or dinner hour, so I've never eaten at Market at Main for lunch or dinner. I guess I better schedule that pretty soon, huh? That wraps up the best breakfast in Lynchburg. Make sure you try it real soon.